Yo, hey there guys. This is going to be a tutorial video of how to use a Stream Deck. I got a Stream Deck for Christmas, hopefully like you guys did. And I use Meld Studio for my streaming and for my recording as well. So I will still do an OBS setup after the Meld. I'll do Meld first, then OBS. I'll put a timestamp in the bottom. It'll say Meld and OBS. So if you're here for Meld, stay with me. OBS, there'll be a timestamp below. Right, so this is after you've downloaded the application on Elgato's website. You'll have a similar profile like this. You'll be suggested 2 pages. I deleted the first 2 pages. I wanted to be fresh. I didn't want anyone suggested stuff. I want to show you my setup, and then it's better if you see what my setup is and you go for stuff and fresh, because I feel like I learn better from a playing standpoint than having bits done for me. I'd rather it'll be there and I can learn how to use it, right? So what I've found best is, so you've got all these here, and you go to your plugins and put the plugins you use. So I use Meld Studio. So I'll type in Meld Studio. I need to install it, and it'll be on. So you'll get their embedded plugins, their embedded like buttons for you to drag and drop in. And same with OBS, so you just put in OBS, comes up, and make sure you get say by Elgato, because that's their one. For now, let's just keep with what Elgato's giving us, and we go with theirs. Yeah, so this also works for if you use any editing software. So you've got your little quick little buttons for that. So if you're doing an editing tool, so you can like strip, clip, and like move scenes about. They'll have specific ones for that. So you'd put in Photoshop. So if you use Adobe Photoshop, you pop that in. And make sure you get by Elgato, because that'll be theirs put in. So once you've got your ones that you're going to use, so clear that away. So I use Meld Studio. I'm going to go through Meld Studio now, and we'll move to OBS. Okay, so after when you've put in your programs you're using for, if it's Meld, OBS, or any editing software, I want to have folders. So I'll have my basic profile here. I'll come to when I start on my Stream Deck, and then I want to go into certain folders. So when I'm in that program, I want nothing else other than the program I'm in. So I'm going to have for the first folder, I'm going to have, so click that right click, create folder. And then I want this to be my stream folder. So this will be for whatever I use. I use Meld Studio. This will be Twitch. So I want Twitch, or however you want your logo to be. Once you've got your profile, and then I'm going to put stream. But if you don't want to put any text, or a bit more cleaner, leave it blank. Up to you. And then you hit enter, and then you'll also have a put in return. If you don't know what that means, you can leave it or put some text. Up to you. But we're going to do that. So I want go live in the middle. So go live. Pretty simple. It does. That goes live. And make sure you are in the folder you want to use. So go live. And then, so this is my live. I won't be putting recording here because I will have a separate one for that one. So, and because I'm streaming, I want to be able to clip things. So you clip every 15 seconds. So I can clip, bang, I get a clip if I see something decent. I can replay. If I get a good clip, I can replay the clip back, show let's replay. Amazing. So I want to, so if you're looking for something, I'll put mute. I want to mute my mic. And you mute, track, mic, and that'll be, if for whatever reason I actually mute my mic, and then say someone comes in the room while I'm streaming, I can go bang, mute mic, and I'll be able to mute the mic. So that's that there, ready? it's pretty simple. Like if you don't like the picture, you can always change the picture. So if you want something a bit more, so Mike, if you want to have a cross out, or if you got a specific sort of, I have Elgato Waves mic, so you can have that if you really want to. But let's go with that one. That keep with the blue goes pretty well. But you can have whatever you want with these. And then you can also move scenes. So if you want to make sure you're always in the one that you want to use. So Meld Studio, if you want to show a specific scene, so if you're going from your BRB screen to your main screen or to your recording screen, or what are you going to go to? So you put show scene. Right, so I want that. I want these at the bottom because I think I have 4. So here I'll have just chatting stream, just chatting. So that'll be my just chatting one. Can I put an end underneath that so it's a bit more clear? Yep, that works. If you use just chatting, no, pick a picture. What kind of picture do you want your just chatting scene to be? I might just leave it as a text. It works. Put it in the center, and then you click your scene. So I have vertical ones and like horizontal ones. So just chatting, bang, that's there, ready. So here I would want. So again, I would put show scene, drag it in. So they'd be main. I'm just going to put main. So this is the main one. And then I've got main screen. Bam. Done. And if you want a picture, put a picture in. Oh, there's even got an animation behind it. That's cool. That's very, very cool. And then you'll have BRB. So I want my BRB one. So again, show scene. And put in BRB. No, not BTB. BRB. And then BRB screen. Is there a BRB? No. I'm going to have it as a pause, BRB pause, and that means that the scene's paused. That works. And then you're going to have end scene or any other scenes that you use. I have an end scene, so end scene. Oh, I'll just put end. Keep it nice and simple. Is there an end? Or stop? No, I don't want to be stopped because I want to stop live as well. I think the text will be fine. So this will be how clean you want it to be. It's pretty basic. So you do what you want to do with these sort of stuff. Your buttons, you make them how you want to make them. So is to is it also no? Yeah. So however you want your budget to be, however you want your screen to be, like you need for your stream, pop that here, and you've got to come out of it. So you press the return, and that's it. So stream, pang, return, out. That's your folders. So if you want to make one for, I'll do the same thing for OBS. So it'd be exactly the same. So I'll just do it a bit over here. Create folder, and this will be, again, this will be stream for you. Stream, but this would be my OBS, just so I can show you how to work. But it's exactly the same. So bang. Make sure when you're clicking the enter, click out of the text, hit your button and hit enter. That'll return, and that will pop you into that profile, that folder. And then so once you've installed your OBS, bang, and it's the same thing. So I don't really use OBS anymore. It's a bit different. So records there as well. So if you want to record, you can also have other settings for them. But I think because I don't use it, it's kind of buffering a little bit because it's not actually open. So that's where, but they're all exactly the same. So let's just delete that, get rid of it. Well, if you don't like something, just press delete, come out of it. So again, if you want to replay buffer, bang. Wait for OBS to do this for me. So if you got OBS, this will be all pretty the same, but it's the exact same thing as I just did for my Meld Studio. So if you want to come out of it, hit return. I'm going to delete this. I don't need it. So I am going to also want to have a record. So create a folder. I put recording. So for instance, any recordings like I am doing now, make a recording. I want to record. Once you got your picture done, that's your recording. Double click it, you're in. And then you'd have, so make sure you're on your correct program and Meld Studio. Record in the middle. I like it to be center, so it's there for me. And I put record. Is there a red one? Can you have a red record button so it's a bit more cleaner? Is there a red one? No, there isn't. Can I put in red? See if that just pulls it through. No. Okay. So record. Boom. Record. Out. Done. And then you'd also have some Meld. I don't want to hit that record button because I'm currently recording. I don't want to do it right now. So that's how I would do myself. You might be a bit different. And if you want to put in a media source, like if you want, say, a soundboard to play audio. So say if while you stream, you want to like, thank you for subscribing, or you've got an emote or a sound that you want to play quite regularly, like get good, you just click play audio, drag it in, and then you'll find a file that you've done it, and then you'll also have action to play, the volume and the output, and where you want to output it to. So you output it to whatever you want to output it to. So maybe for me, for headphones, or if there's a certain stream. So I would have it in game because I use my game audio in that. And you'd click, if you want a picture behind it, and then when you hit that, it'll play it. Pretty much simple. I won't play anything because it's any copyright. But if you've got any questions, ask me. Put in the comments below. I hope you enjoy your Steam Deck. If you like the video, hit that like button. And if you want to stay around for more, hit that subscribe button. And I'm going to mess about with this, see what else we can get. So I might do a follow-up video if I find anything really interesting and really cool. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.